Best deals. 1. Edge Protector. Made of newly upgraded nanomaterial, there are no phthalates, BPA and chemicals. The silicone edge protector strip is easy to trim with scissors to fit the space desired. Easy to clean. If corner bumpers for furniture and table corner covers baby safety is dirty, you can clean the corner covers baby safety with a paper towel or cloth. Provides a cost-effective and easy solution to child-proofing your home. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Handle protectors. This door handle covers are made of durable soft EVA foam which is no toxic. It's safety, soft and comfortable, not easy to deform after extrusion. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Drawer lock. Crafted from high-quality ABS material, our child cabinet locks ensure safety without compromising on durability. A smooth finish guarantees your child's fingers won't get hurt. Locks can be used not only for child safety but also for protecting pets from creating messes around the house. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Organizer. Uniquely crafted to add sophistication to any entrance or hallway. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Hooks. Bring joy to your space with these uniquely crafted wall hooks shaped like playful cats wearing sunglasses, their curved tails ready to hold your essentials. Add personality and a touch of fun to any room, making your decor both lively and practical. Try them to brighten up your daily routine. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Crystal tray. Woven from sparkling crystals into a metal ring surrounding a gorgeous mirror base, 2-layer handcraft shiny crystal looks gorgeous. Mirrored glass surface tray with stunning base make it more unique and exquisite. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Tissue holder. Elevate your space with a meticulously crafted tissue box holder for home, a stylish solution to keep your tissues organized. Designed with an elegance, a holder blends functionality with a touch of sophistication. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Mobile stand. Smartphone wall holder can give your phone a safe dock while charging with wide range of application. This wall mount for phone can be used on smooth and even wallpaper, lime wall tile, stainless steel, glass, wooden and metal surface. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Flexible cable organizer. This durable cable wire zipper is designed for quick bundling and organizing of multiple cords, making it ideal for PCs, home theaters, and office desks. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Key holder. Natural wood frame with beautiful rattan cane weave pattern creates a stylish and decorative wall-mounted key organizer. This is perfect boho-style wall decor key holder. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Door guard. Safeguard your little ones with the child safety door guard, designed to protect small hands from painful pinchers. The pack includes 2 child safety door guards, allowing you to use them on a single door for extra protection or spread them across multiple doors in your home for comprehensive safety. The door will operate as nothing ever happened. The high-strength acrylic tape provides secure adhesion, and can be easily removed without leaving any residue, ensuring a clean surface after detachment. Simple installation with no tools required. Just attach the guard to the door frame and enjoy added protection for your little one. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Door stopper. This adhesive provides a very firm, strong, and reliable attachment to the doors, thus providing zero risk of slipping or falling. This provides a no fuss, no mess but just a perfect peace of mind. Very versatile as it adjusts in accordance to a variety of handles as per your convenience without any hassle. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Bumper strip. Transparent and sleek design. Completely clear bumper strips blend seamlessly with any wall or door, maintaining your home decor while offering full protection. Soft rubber cushioning absorbs impact quietly with soft rubber material, perfect for noise reduction and preventing dents or cracks. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Duster. This versatile brush is thoughtfully designed with 2 cleaning functions in one. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Carpet. Step into comfort with the handwoven soft and fluffy shag rug, you may just find yourself spending more time relaxing directly on your rug. Perfect for cozy living spaces, ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, nurseries, or meditation corners. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Tape. Made from premium acrylic gel via advanced nanotech. Getting your mounting activities done fast and securely without drilling in nails. Holds up to on smooth surfaces. The removable adhesive tape can be easily removed from smooth surfaces without any damage. The wall tape can replace traditional methods of mounting items such as screw fixing and help keep your walls looking great. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Toran. Perfect decoration for mandir, puja room, and all festivals like Diwali. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Key holder. Adhesive wall hooks are made of high-quality ABS and non-marking sticky material for extra strength and durability, and the exterior coating resists corrosion and rust. Each hook can hold up to 5.5 pounds. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Edge protector. The 2-meter strip acts as a soft barrier, making it the perfect edge protector for sharp edges on tables, shelves, and countertops. Helps reduce risk of bumps from hard surfaces for toddlers and crawling babies. Designed as a durable sharp edge protector for kids. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Hippopotamus statue. Indulge in unique living room, office, or bedroom decor with this big-mouthed hippopotamus serving tray, crafted from durable resin. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Door pinch guard. The surface of the door bumper in contact with the door is striated to increase friction. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Vase. Uplift your surroundings look with this minimalistic decorative vase designed in the shape of a donut. The vase is ideal for wreaths, dried flowers, and pampers. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Stationery storage. Storage pull-out drawer and accessory holder create spaces for storing staplers, erasers, pens, memos, clips, highlighters, tags, keys, other small accessories and within easy reach. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. LED light. The 0.5 watt LED night lamp for bedroom is energy efficient, consuming minimal power while providing adequate lighting for safety and comfort. By using night light for 12 hours each day, less than 20-30 rupees cost for annual power consumption. Probably not even enough to make any movement of your power meter. Product link is given in the 24th link.